Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by installing Healthplix and signing in with your clinic email or registered mobile number. This connects you to patient workflows immediately. Once done, grant camera and storage permissions so you can capture reports and attach files to records, and enable notifications so appointment alerts reach you. Make sure to fill the basic profile fields: name, qualification, clinic address, and consultation hours, because those details appear on prescriptions and appointment bookings and prevent downstream mismatches. Now move into patient entry and the consultation flow. You add a patient quickly with name, age, phone, and medical ID, then open the chart to record SOAP notes. Use the subjective field for complaints, objective for vitals, and attach images or reports. Once you assess, create a treatment plan and prescribe using templates to save time. Make sure to set follow-up reminders and durations so the system tracks next visits and automated messages go to patients without manual tracking. To complete the visit, save your notes, generate and send the e-prescription, and issue the invoice or receipt to the patient's phone. This closes the encounter and updates records. Once done, make sure your device has stable Wi-Fi or mobile data so the app can sync backups and let you access records on other devices. If synchronization or data upload fails, clear the app cache, re-login, and if problems persist, contact Healthplix support to restore consistent syncing and avoid data gaps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.